What's up? Alex O Crypto here with another Sunday School teaching you about VRVP this week. So let's jump into the charts. Let's look at this quickly and surely we will get on our way. Now with the VRVP, you can add this up top on the indicators. Just type VRVP Visible Range Volume Profile and you can look here. My settings are as follows: 25% width of the box, and you can see that I've changed the colors to match my colors, but you can do whatever you want with the colors. Also, the row size I find is very important. I keep mine around 200 no matter what, and this value area volume around 70, but that is my settings for this, and this is how I use it. So coming into this, we can see that there are some very key areas, and this indicator will adjust as you zoom out, and it will take in the total price action that is displayed on the chart. Now, why is this useful? Well, if I zoom into a specific area, I can see where the key levels of volume are. We have a value area high at the top, a value area low at the bottom, and a point of control in the middle, which is basically our highest level of volume traded within that area. Now you can see here that volume tends to use this as a range, right? If we look at the top to the bottom and we draw a box around it, we can see that there is a range here. Now, it will move up and it will move down, and it will naturally always work its way back to this point of control. You can see how it constantly comes back to it, correct? Correct. So this is how we use this indicator to give ourselves more confluence with trade setups. Now, similar like the fixed range volume tool indicator, where we can pull a level of area that matches up, you can see it also matches up with the VRVP. So this can give us a better outlook on the total area of price traded and where the key volume is pulling us towards. Now, what I really enjoy using this for is I enjoy using it for finding where price can move very quickly. Now, if we look to the right here and we pull out our tool, we can see that there's these pockets on the side, right? And these pockets allow price to move very quickly through. So you can see that we have an area here, right? An area below it, and an area below that. So price tends to stay within these areas, and it will trade within these areas. But as soon as price, like it has over here on the left, made its way to this area where there is a gigantic gap, it zooms right through and it moves quickly up or down into the next area of volume. So how am I using this right now to trade this current range that we're in? Well, we can see that we have come up and we have this level of support at the value area high, right? So I would definitely horizontal mark that out on my chart to know that this is a level of support. Well, price will come and it will typically bounce off of. Now, if we zoom out more, we know that if we get above 25K here, which we'll mark out right here, that we have quite the quick move up to the next level of volume, which is at 28K. So if we do end up punching through here, we could be up into this range much faster than we could expect. Therefore, if we're looking for a long trade, look for it to be testing this level of resistance where the volume is, and then if it shoots through, it can jump up to this area as well. So it's a quick way of testing where volume is, where price will go to, and how fast it will move between the two. Now, if we go on a shorter term time frame, like the 4 hour, right, we can see that there's multiple pockets throughout, right? We can see that price, if we zoomed in here, we can see that price moved quickly through here. Look, quick down, quick up, right? Now, if we look below us, there's not much volume holding us up. So what would we do? We would zoom out to find more confluence throughout the volume over here, and we can actually see that there is some key level of volume in here that is going to support us to where we are right now in the price action. So that's just a quick way of how I use the VRVP on a daily basis to set up levels, to set up entries, and to get a good look at where the markets are right now. Currently, we're in this range. Down below in the 1 hour, we can zoom in and we can see that if we're trying to trade this little range right here, well, we can get points of control and look at where the volume is trading. You can see that we have bounced off and it's keeping us down, right? We can't seem to get above this point of control. Will we continue to bounce? Well, it's a great indicator to show us where price has worked its way back to and where it has been rejected, right? So add this to your pocket of tools that you use on a daily basis to help yourself become a more profitable trader. Thank you so much for joining. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We come out with daily videos updating on the market and also do educational videos trying to help you guys become more profitable traders. Much love. Peace out. Alex.